and on we'll go.
Good evening guys, this is Abby and welcome back to my channel guys. So the name of I want to clarify guys, the name of my channel is Abby, but my actually name is Elizabeth. So sometimes my video I tell hi, welcome to my channel, this is Elizabeth, like this. That's my real name. So since my YouTube channel is Abby, the name of my daughter, so sometimes in my blog I tell hi, this is Abby and welcome to my channel. It's same guys with Abby and Elizabeth. It's only one. So I just want to clarify guys because my blog or my YouTube channel is still not monetized because they have a reuse issue. Reuse what is one? Reuse content like this. But I still reviewing my blog, all my videos and like this. Still, I didn't see that I have reuse content or anything like this. I have only 3 copyright, but I think I already muted already. But I don't know what happened. But why still I'm not? Why still my monetization is not yet approved? So maybe they have what is one? They have I have a blog that I use my another name Elizabeth, but this one same. This Abby, my YouTube channel is Abby. That's the name of my daughter and the email address that I use. So sometimes I have an intro that hi, this is Abby and this is Elizabeth. That's the same guys. So I just want to clarify that one. So today's video guys, I since long time I didn't make a vlog because I feel disappointed what happening of my application for monetization guys. So I don't have any interest to make again a vlog or video like this because I get disappointed guys. So today I want to make a review about my beauty product and I want to open again or to make again a video or vlog with my channel because still I reach the monetization requirements, but the problem is still disapproved guys. So today I want to make a vlog, I want to make a video guys that to continue. So today's video guys, I have an what is one? I have a review about my Chanel makeup guys. So I just want to unboxing this makeup. That's why I didn't open. Still this one have plastic already because I want to make an unboxing vlog review like this to continue my YouTube channel guys. So I didn't make another vlog or video. I didn't make even a script or like this because still I'm disappointed about my channel, but whatever happened guys, I need to continue it because I effort already on this YouTube channel or my channel. So sayang naman pag hindi ko siya ituloy guys. So today's video guys, I make unboxing this one. So guys, this one is not sponsored by Chanel, but maybe maybe this one is a gift for my very special co-worker in a gym. So maybe she watching this my blog and she know already what this one. So I keep this one in my cabinet, in my dresser, because I want to make a vlog this one. So paulit-ulit ako. So today I want to open this one. So I want to say what is inside in the pack. So today's this one, Chanel Paris makeup. It's very important for me, this one, because this is a gift for me. So ta-da! So this one. So it's like this. So Still, I didn't open this one. Still already have a plastic, guys. So I want to say inside, what inside this one. Oh, from this video, guys, I want all my gift from others. I want to make a vlog, make a video, so that this is a memories for me, and overwhelmed that I receive a gift for them. And I'm so much thankful because I know how I important with them, with her, or with them like this. So this one, so I removed the plastic. So guys, I'm too much excited. So I want to open. I don't know how, where. So this one here. So I want to open this one, and I want to, yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yes, so this is it. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me a gift like this. And I know who you are, and thank you so much. It's very appreciated that every time I receive a gift from you, not only from you, but also with her. So I'm so much thankful, not only for me. Sometimes she give also for my daughter and son. So I'm very, 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 very happy, and I appreciate all that. I appreciate how you care, how you love with me like this. Whatever I tell, sometimes I make joking but I know you get offended like this, but anyway, thank you so much for your gift. So I want to see this one. So see, I want to remove the other one. So I want to check what this one. So tada! Today this one seem like a fresh powder. So there's a sponge. There's a sponge like this. And this one, the powder, but still I didn't use this one. Maybe if I want to go somewhere, I use this one. And I have mascara. This one I cannot take. Mascara, and then eyeliner. So I want to remove. Wow, still already sold. Have a plastic because I didn't open this one. So this one, eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner, guys. So since I every time use eyeliner, so sometimes it become down, and my eyes black like this. You know, guys, when I go work, and when I have a duty, I go in daily work there. Sometimes I put makeup, I put anything, eyeliner, or I like this. Sometimes I put eyeshadow, but you know, when I'm walking every time there, useless that I am putting makeup, because sometimes I'm cooking and making barbecue, so useless that when you put makeup like this. But if you are working like office or receptionist like this, it must be you need to wear, or you need to put makeup, you need to look professional like this. So since I'm only in kitchen, sometimes I'm cooking, so useless. So that's why I didn't use this one. But when I go outside, maybe I will use this one. So this one, the liquid foundation, guys. She know that I have more like this, but I didn't use because I have you know, the small like this. It's from powder or any cosmetics that I use. Sometimes I have a rashes here like this. That's why I stopped using any liquid foundation. So this one, I wanna try this one, and I want to make a vlog if this one okay or no. What this one? And they have also a mascara like this. Very nice. This one's it. Before she gave me also more lipstick, but I didn't make a vlog. I didn't make a unboxing that one because I sometimes after my work I feel tired. I want to sleep. I want to. Now I have still I have power to make a vlog. That's why. So this one lip gloss, very red. I didn't use red lipstick because you know my lips too much big. If I am putting red too much red lipstick, I feel my face heavy because of lipstick. But this one very nice. See, they have same small glitters like this. So again, I still have a lipstick. Still have like this. So guys, I'm too much happy and I want to say this one. What this one? How about this one? Oh, I can't open. Wait guys. This one for blush on. Blush on guys. Very nice. And the other one. Oh, this one for eyes. For eyeshadow like this. I'm so excited to use this one. If I had a time if I had time to put all this one I want to put, and I'm so excited to use this one, but for now only I check this one. I open this one if what inside like this, but still I don't want to use for now. So that's all guys. Thank you so much. I have a makeup set from Chanel. I'm too much happy guys. So you know why? I'm sorry for sometimes I didn't speak Tagalog, even I don't know how to speak English like this. You know why? I have a comment in my blog that she get irritated with my blog for I'm speaking Tagalog like this, you know. Sometimes I don't know what I want. Sometimes I don't know what I tell. I cannot speak the straight English like this, but I try. So for today, if you are watching, guys, so I'm sorry if sometimes I have a wrong grammar, wrong pronunciations of my English. So I want to try and I want to I want to what is one? I want to force myself to speak English in front of camera and for my blog also, because not all my viewers is Tagalog guys. So when I check my YouTube and YouTube studio, all my audience is from India, Bangladesh, what is on? Pakistan. So other also Indonesian. So sometimes they are commenting with my blog. So what are you talking about? I cannot understand why you didn't talk English like this. So that's why I prepare myself that yeah, my audience is not only Filipino. So sometimes they watching from another country like this. So how they understand if I didn't talk English like that. So from my old blog, that's why I didn't speak English. That's why they have more comment that in my blog, and then I make hide. I remove the comments so that nobody read, nobody knows like that. So for now, this is my first ever blog that I'm talking English, guys. So thank you so much for supporting me with my channel, Abby Artastic, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what is your what is one, what you want for my next vlog, and then I will try to make a vlog, or what you want to make. Just comment down below, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Abby Artastic, guys. And God bless you all. Take care of yourself. So to this pandemic, it's not I think not now they will become okay, not same before. So you need to take care ourselves wherever we go, wherever whatever we do. So we need to take care ourselves. Don't forget to put or use every time mask, especially in a crowded area, supermarket, or anywhere that anywhere you go like this. So that's only, guys. My unboxing makeup. So I'm so much thankful, guys, that I have a time today, and nobody here in the room. That I'm alone only here. That's why I have power to make a vlog again. So I need to put again in the plastic, because I think for now I didn't use this one. Uh, yeah, that's all, guys, with my vlog today, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing makeup. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if I have something to do, or I make mistake, or you cannot understand what I tell like this. Just comment, guys, so that I need to improve. Uh, but sometimes the comment when in my blog, yeah, I it's painful for me. That's why I remove the comment, and then I try to speak English or like this. I try. But guys, thank you so much for watching me, and again, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you enjoy, and then if you have more suggestion what I will try to make. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe Abby Artasi channel. Thank you so much. Bye.